Meditation in Motion series, A Walk in the Woods. As you get going on this walk in the woods, notice your feet, wiggle your toes, and imagine a grounding color set at your feet. It can be one of the beautiful greens or browns right in front of you that you see. Move up the channels of your legs, noticing aches, pains, or even health, up past your ankles, your calves, your knees, and your thighs, all the way to your sit bones and hips. When you get to your sit bones and hips, make a few little micro movements back and forth, side to side. Start noticing how this lower part of your body feels in this moment. Set a color in that lower belly. Something that'll warm you up, get your blood flowing. It can be pink, red, orange, whatever feels good. Feel that grounding that you've already created from your hips down to your feet. Now, moving up your belly, feel the blood flow starting to flow through your lower belly, up past your belly button, center of your belly, and all the way to your heart. Breathe in the energy of being just a badass for getting yourself here. When you get to your heart, take a big breath in, roll your shoulders, and imagine that you are opening your heart to yourself. You're opening to nourishment, support, and self-love. Bring in a color into this space. Can be a beautiful amethyst purple, a deep sea blue, whatever that is. Roll your shoulders again and just notice, are your shoulders stiff? Are they loose? How do you feel? Move up through the channels of your neck, your jaw, all the way to the center of your head. Make some micro movements in your neck and jaw, and even run your hands through your hair. Start to stimulate that scalp. In the center of your head, set a color that will help lead you through the day. This is you getting in tune with your intuition. So this can be a cobalt blue. This can be a color that feels good to you, maybe even a spring green. And then let's set your intuitive knowing at good boundaries today. Clear communication, a path that feels right to you. You can even take your hand, place it on top of your head for just a few moments, resetting your spiritual and intuitive knowing into this present moment. Imagine bringing down that highest good intention for the day, down all the way through to your anchoring, down to your toes. Any excess energy, just flick it off your toes as you walk. Take a moment to feel where you are at today. How are you? You don't have to feel perfect. You don't even have to feel good. You just have to take this moment to know where you are at, where you're starting on this walk. Now raise your arms out to the sides and above your head, and imagine that you're calling down support and help from God, from Source, your guides, your ancestors. Ask for what you need today. Draw your hands down over your head and just run them down the sides of your body as you're imagining that you are bringing that information down. It's like honey dripping down your body, invigorating each cell as it makes its way all the way down to your toes, and again, any excess into the earth. Now that you've started and reset your body on this walk, you can now move on to your podcast, your audiobook, whatever you need to do to create inspiration, imagination, get out of your head, whatever it is. But enjoy this walk and be grateful that you got here. Even if this recording is the length of your walk, it doesn't matter. You got here. That's all you need for today.